Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and this is my review of the Griffin hands-free mic and auxiliary cable. Now, this is a nice, easy solution for in-car use of your iPhone. Let's crack packaging open. I'll show you what the product is. Easy to get into. We get some Griffin technology sticker, and also some instructions in various languages how to use the product, and then we get the product itself. Now this is a very straightforward product. Basically what you're getting is a nice cable, nice quality cable, and there's two 3.5mm audio jacks, one on each end of the cable. Now the cable measures around about 90 centimetres. I'm not going to be able to really show you this on the video too long, but nice 90 centimetre cable. And the idea of this is that one end goes into your iPhone, into the 3.5mm audio jack. Now I've picked up an iPod Touch at the moment, but imagine this is an iPhone, and this end here goes into the auxiliary input on your car's stereo. Now if a call comes in, you click the inline button that pauses the playing music on your iPhone, and you take the call. When the call is finished, you click again and it reverts back to playing your music. Now the microphone, which is in this end, is extremely good quality, nice and clear. The only downside that I could see with this product is that this cable for a start is only 90 centimetres. It would have been nice to have probably an extra 10 centimetres would do it, but just over a metre would have been a much better length for the cable. The other problem I can see is that this push to talk button. Now normally in a car, your car stereo is quite near, but if your car stereo was perhaps on the opposite side of the dashboard, or perhaps you're in a truck or a van, then this microphone and this push to talk button might be too far away for you to reach. So maybe this should be positioned a little bit further up the cable, and also the microphone pickup, if it's too far away, isn't going to pick up your voice too great. But that's just looking for the worst case scenario. Certainly in my tests, this has been near enough. My car stereo is nice and near to me, so I've been able to get to this button easily, and the microphone is extremely high quality, very high quality indeed. This is a very easy to use hands-free solution for your iPhone 4, 3GS or 3G, and it is priced just right as well. It's under £15 in the UK, or around about $20 if you're in the US. So again, the Griffin hands-free mic plus aux cable, extremely simple solution. Two 3.5mm audio jacks, hardwire your iPhone to your car stereo, and enjoy the use of it hands-free. None of this pairing or sort of choppy audio from Bluetooth connections. This simply just works out of the box. Well, thank you very much for listening. Please do come back soon and check out more video reviews on the Geekanoids channel. This video review is sponsored by EasyDraw, making drawing fun on Mac OS X.